Hi, this is Ray Bowdish from the Biology Department at SUNY Potsdam, and I'll be talking to you today about Excel. These are some Excel basics. We're going to investigate just the main features of Excel. To open it up, you want to find the icon in the dock or the Start menu if you're in a Windows program. And mine was opened up to the last file open, which is common in Mountain Lion and Lion. If you want to create a new workbook, you click on File and New Workbook. Workbooks have a number of important features to recognize. At the bottom here, there are sheets. So if you think of this like a normal book, each sheet is a page. You can add new sheets. You can double-click and rename those sheets. And each sheet is a series of addresses. By clicking any cell, you'll see the cell address appears at the top, A1. Here, B6 is indicated and also highlighted in the columns and in the rows. You can select cells by clicking, holding, and dragging on your trackpad or with your mouse. And you can right-click on cells for a list of options, things like insert, delete, and so forth. When putting a spreadsheet together, there are a few things you want to keep in mind. You should try to label the rows of your spreadsheet at the very top. This makes it easier to import and export into statistics files or other programs. So the first thing you want to do is put some information at the top, like this. If you were to put in names, Excel formats this, and you can find out through right-clicking and checking Format Cell. Formats it as general here, sees it as text. If we're going to put in a date, Excel should read this automatically. If we simply put 1/12/13 and click the next cell, Excel formats it to a date. Again, you can confirm this by right-clicking, going to Format Cell, and seeing how it's formatted as a date. All cells can be formatted. When we want to include numbers, like the lab number 1, we don't want to include any spaces or any other characters. You'll notice that Excel justifies the number to the right, indicating that it is a number, as it does with the date. If I extend this column by clicking in the space between the two column labels, you can see that text is justified to the left. This is a clear indication of whether the computer can read this as text-based information or numbers. This is important because numbers can be used in formula and text cannot. A few main features of the actual window in Excel outside of the spreadsheet include the menu toolbar at the top, the top menu here, the toolbar below it, and then down here at the ribbon. You can change your view, remove the ribbon, bring the ribbon back, move the toolbars. Okay, you have several here. You can take the standard toolbar away, go back to view, to toolbars, and bring it back. Like many modern programs, Excel has most of its features, options showing out front. By simply scrolling over any one of them, you can read what those features are. The ribbons adds a different layer of utility because you can select different ribbons here in the ribbon selection bar. This will get you started to enter data in Excel.